welcome to our vlog one day in Clara's studio. And today I'm helping her to painting. She always need help to paint with to open, to close, to clean, to move things. So today I'm doing that. It's so special because mostly we are not doing this, but I love to do this with her. So let's show you what's happening now. Saturday morning, and it's 8 a.m. more or less. Clara is doing this big heart. I'm doing the base for this, like I'm just giving white, so when she will paint will be red for her. And now I'm opening this color for her. You see it's difficult because it's you are not seeing, it's small, so she can't. There has the iPad filming, so we have material after. And this is how she make these wonderful clothes all the time. So I just get this one and give white, because when she does with Carlo never does that. But I prefer when the paintings. Do you prefer with or without, Clara? She doesn't care. So who is helping? I think then if she leaves white space, come better. But for her, it's everything's okay, right? She said she's the boss today. I can't say anything. You are the boss. I need just to obey. Okay. Can I say something, Clara? Huh? She laughs. I love this blue, Clara. It's wonderful. No, it's really nice. So she doesn't like. I can't believe that. Whoa. You see, we never know what she's doing. And sometimes it's hard to follow because you say, I love that blue, but now she found a heart here. Is that amazing? I loved the heart, but Clara didn't. I loved the blue, but Clara didn't. So she's doing what she thinks. I was doing a video and now it's all different again. So I was showing this new package of Tomorrow's Artist. It's a brand that Clara is collabing. It's recycled paint, and it's really cool. I love the smell, and it's all aluminum, so it's recycled. It's all recycled. The controller of the paint arrived, so you see what she's doing now? She's saying, I'm using all the paint. Because we are trying to teach Clara that she can use a lot of paint if it's needed, but if it's just like to create sensation, or we need to, it's expensive, you know, we need to use just what she uses and not just because it's fun or like, you know. This is the situation. She's putting all things to clean here. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Also those 10. Quello è mio, uno mio, one mine. My iPhone is full of paint now.
Ma.
Let's show the secret eye. Her is a heater inside the table. Do you want to do a live? She loves to do a live. So let's do together. So we do the vlog of the live and everything. We are doing a live, we are doing a vlog. We have 200 people online.
So you want it hotter?
Midnight from
Turn
Australia.
around like this. Like, is that hello?
Hi Clara, I love your art. Hi Joy. I
Want
don't know
to
if
hire?
Carlos spoke with you, Joy. I don't think so.
For?
Joy, I send you the contact and I explain.
No, I did not, Joy.
You see?
Sorry so much. Yes, stuff. So I have come for this. Yes.
No, I think I can ask Dad if he can clean
The paintbrushes.
the paintbrushes.
Yes. Then we not come over this area here. Okay, this
So-
is your territory. Okay.
Clara is saying, what? Can you say it again, Clara?
That I'm not allowed to come in her territory.
Okay. It's just me and you today. She's back. I can't say anything now. We have a small discussion because I said the way you were doing before, it was beautiful with the black blue, no, the dark blue, the green and everything. So she got mad at me and now she said I can't say anything.
Sorry, you? What?
No, Clara, no, non lasciare, amore.
Why do I need to have this? Dear
No.
Clara? Because that's you think we can rent a house easier with this face like this? Okay.
I said that it was beautiful, the blue with red and the green. So you are doing again because I like it. Thank you. So I can't complain that it will be difficult to do the picture. Yeah, you are right. Just a little bit.
What you don't like this white?
This is nice that it's metallic.
It's pro. Okay, you don't like pro.
I love pure. You don't. our energy is finishing now, but we want to finish at least the heart.
Ma.
So let's do it, Clara. Are you ready? It's drying. Can I take it? No. Wait. Just relax.
Ma.
And then you need to run to make a shower, to eat, to take a nap, and to go out.
Ah, me.
Now she's spying the neighbors. Oh.
Ma. Ma.
What's that? Who is great? We are not talking about this now. Clara.
No, ma.